All right, guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So today I'm just out. We had to run a few errands, and then I said, oh, let's stop by and see what's going on outside of the walking street. It's still, the next streets to it, and I heard by rumors that the Niagara bar had been closed. Niagara bar has a little bit of history, especially for Scandinavian people that are coming here to visit Angeles City. That has always been a hangout for Norwegians, Swedish people, and other people as well. But a majority of them has been from Scandinavia, so it became a hangout. The owner himself is Scandinavian, and here is what that is all about. Right now, I'm going to turn it around. Yes, this bar is now for sale and has been permanently closed. Permanently closed. So that's what's going on with this place, and it's like a sad story to some degree. He had every year he had like big Christmas, Scandinavian Christmas dinners and all that. You came here, you spent like 400 peso, 500 peso, whatever, and they had a buffet of everything you can imagine as far as Scandinavian food, ham, all kinds of stuff. And here's the other thing I just realized now. Going looking across the street from the Niagara bar is the Wild Orchid Resort, and guess what, guys? That has also been closed. I don't know if it's permanently. I don't think so. But for now, there is no guests, and they are keeping it closed. I see a security guard walking around in there, but that's about it. That was the place. That was the place that we spent our time during our wedding and all that stuff. Hello. Beautiful area, and they have a nice pool back in there and a few other things. But that has now been temporary, at least right now, for temporary closed. So let's just walk up this way a little bit and see what else is closed or open. It looks like a lot of stuff is closed. Yeah, there's some kind of security guard in there, but it is locked up. And that's about it. So that's a bigger one of those N-Max, T-Max. That's a T-Max? 400, 600, X-Max or whatever?
I don't know.
That's like the 600.
Yeah, that one allowed it.
I think it's like 650cc or something. Bourbon Street Apartments. I think somebody said that it was owned by the same guy that owns Orchid, but I don't know for sure. I have hello. He is always a happy guy, right? You doing all right? Okay. I don't have anything. I normally try to help him out a little bit, but I didn't have any pesos on me today. Need to stop at the ATM, I guess. Huh? 5, 10, 15. Salad. There's still a little bit of ladies' clothing and other thing open here. Rob's
Yeah, that one.
Gastropub, is it open?
It's open.
Huh?
Yeah.
He looks like he's open, right? All right. It's a lot of activity going on here anyway. Seems like a lot of traffic at least. Cars are snugging up on your legs here behind you. Beautiful, good food, Tequila Reef, Cantina. I've been here. I was here for, they had something called Taco Tuesdays.
Yeah.
And it was it was really good though.
Yeah.
A lot of construction back in here. The Palladium.
Yeah, this one is pretty old.
Huh?
This building is pretty old, you know. It's
Yeah.
been years.
Yeah.
Still under construction.
Yeah, I know. It's a lot of construction going on here. And then down this street you have the what do you call it? Hotels here, and Central Park is what I'm looking for. Central Park Hotel. Shabu Bar. I don't know. We're still early. It's 1 o'clock.
Orchid.
Huh? Yeah, this is an orchid too, and I think it's closed as well. 10 garage. Too many other upgrades to mention. Contact. What is it called? Diamond Bungalow in the Sky? That's something different though. But I think this is blocked off, and I don't know. I think, are they open here?
Yeah, in the side.
They're open.
Oh, okay. On the other side?
Yeah.
Okay. But the restaurant is not open?
Yeah, in the inside we have
With the pool, everything.
Okay. So I thought it was closed. What's going on? What's going on with the other orchid? Wild orchid?
Wild orchid is closed.
Permanently?
Yeah. This one is
Still open.
yeah.
But is it closed permanently
Yeah.
down there?
Maybe January, February, some
Oh, they might reopen
Yes.
when this is over. Okay. Yeah, that's
You Australian?
Huh?
Australian?
No, I'm Swedish,
Oh, Swedish.
but I lived in the U.S. for 30 years. So
You think?
no, he's not my kid. But he adopted me.
Oh!
He adopted me.
Oh, yeah.
All right, man. You say.
I need I selling watches.
Oh, you.
Breitling, Omega, Jaguar,
All right. So you sell some watches and some other things. Yeah.
the self-printing, Oblot, Jaguar, Bulgari.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
98.
oh, okay. All right. All right. Well, maybe next time. I'm not in a buying mood today. No, I live here.
Where is?
7 years in Dao.
Yeah.
I've been there 7 years.
Close to the,
Oh yeah. We're just doing a little vlog today. All right.
Okay, boss.
See ya.
Yeah.
Everybody's friendly and chasing around.
Phillips.
Huh? Philly Sports Bar.
This is Phillips?
Yeah.
Yep.
Philly Sports Bar. They're open.
This was the new one, right? Right beside Phillips.
Yeah. They're open. So,
In there.
and there's some guys here. There's a hangout for the guys that are, kind of stayed over here and didn't leave. It's our.
I didn't go anywhere.
So it's a hangout for all the guys that stayed here. All right, let's go down. Maybe we go down Walking Street a little bit.
Yeah.
Come around.
Let's go.
We'll
check
just-
it out.
We'll just do a little quick walk here. And Envy is open. Umberto goes here a lot,
Here?
because he knows the manager here. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
does he get free lunch?
No.
Free
No.
meal?
There's no such thing as a free meal. You should know that. All
I
right.
mean, you know the guy, so
Yeah, but that doesn't mean you have a free meal. So,
too bad.
yeah,
Too bad for that.
that doesn't mean you have a free meal. It's That's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. All right, so some of these bars are open.
At night? Do you think it's
Yeah,
open at night?
we should go here one night, but it's
Yeah.
I
It'd be more
don't.
interesting if it's like nighttime.
Right, yeah.
See what's going
But it's
on
also
at night.
dark here at night. You know, hard to film and that thing. So, but they're opening up,
It's open.
and some of them are turning around and becoming resto bars. So they build them up to being restaurants and that kind of stuff. Kokomas is open. Normally there is at this time of the day, lunchtime. Normally I think there is a Kokomas. There is a bundle of guys sitting there normally during lunch hour, and right now it doesn't look like they have one guest sitting in there. I think Envy and Phillies has kind of taken over the foreigners that are left over here. So,
Yep.
All right, some music.
This is it.
Yeah. Yeah, we can. Yeah. There's a few people hanging around. Royal Amsterdam. I said last time, this hotel is for sale. You can email them at info@hotelroyalamsterdam.com. So if you're interested in buying a hotel on Walking Street, they are available. I heard last time I heard the Koreans had started taking over the bars here, and when COVID came, a lot of them just dropped their leases and took off. So here's another Galaxy Hotel. The restaurant is for rent. 0919-579-4411. So you can call them if you. It's almost looking like my bike. Almost. It's empty. Not a whole lot of activity. Zamjupsal. Here you got promo. $1.99 Zamjupsal per serving. I don't think it's all you can eat though. I like that. You know, some places you go, all you can eat, and you munch on it for
here.
There.
Wait there.
There.
That decided guy.
Right. Yeah.
Good.
Paro Bar. I don't know what that is, but it looks like has a Korean influence on it for sure. On the outside, and the same thing here. Yeah, I think that one is pretty cool actually. The jeepney. They have like body massage and stuff in there, I think.
Still open?
Yeah, well, it's new owners. This one here, before was beer garden, and then it turned into Brados, and now it turned into something else. I don't know what it was, but when Brados bought it from Beer Garden, I went here one time, and the service was so bad I never went back. They had no people there, right? It's like maybe 5 guests. and it took us an hour and a half to get our dinner. It was terrible. So I think they had to go and buy the cow and slaughter it, and then that's crazy. But that's what this was all about. All right, so there was a little. That's the typical view, walking street. A lot of commerce outside here, money changers, USS, Western Union, and so let's head this way. Go up the street and then we go back to the bike.
Yep.
All right, guys, we're gonna wrap this one up. This is just a short little shot today. We have to go and run some errands, but we couldn't come in there until 2:30 or so. So we are going to wrap it up, and don't forget our live feed Saturday night coming up at 8:15 Eastern Standard Time, 9:15 a.m. in Manila. So we'll see you then. God bless. Bye bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.